Indian monsoon system. The term monsoon is derived from an Arabic word "mousim" or from the monsim, which means season. Monsoon refers to regional winds produced by thermodynamic modifications in the trade winds. Monsoon can be defined as a seasonal reversal of wind over Indian subcontinent due to the apparent shift of the sun. Features of the monsoon. Number one is thermodynamic modification of the southeasterly trades. Second, during the July month, the frequency of winds must increase by 40%. Number third, the acceleration of wind during the monsoon month of July shall be more than 3 m per second. Fifth, number 4, rain bearing system. Number 5, break in the monsoon. और नंबर 6, onset of the monsoon. What are the monsoons? An interchange of air between land and oceans due to the unequal heating and cooling of the continents and oceans is known as monsoon winds. It has an annual period of occurrence. During summers, the land is heated very much as compared to the oceans, which cause low pressure over the land, and the wind blow from oceans to the continents. During winters, land cool down faster than the oceans, causing high pressure over continents and low pressure over the oceans. The wind blows from continents to the oceans. The Indian monsoon is the best known example of this alternating circulation system. There are two types of monsoons over India, that is, first is southwest monsoon and second is northeast monsoon. First is southwest monsoon winds. It originates at 10 degrees south latitudes near Mascarenes high pressure east of Madagascar by the convergence of southeasterly trades with the outflow of Mascarenes. The convergence air is directed towards equator by the fin-later jet and the eastern highlands of Africa. It crosses the equator between 44 to 66 degree east longitude and bifurcated by the projection of peninsula. Southwest monsoon winds. It develops into two main branches. First is Arabian Sea branch and second is Bay of Bengal branch. Arabian Sea branch. Due to Coriolis force, the wind direction is southwesterly. Therefore, it is oblique to the Western Ghats. Has 200 to 300 cm orographic rainfall occur, while in the rain shadow areas of Deccan Plateau, 40 to 60 cm rainfall is found. What is Coriolis force? An effect whereby a mass moving in a rotating system experiences a force, that is the Coriolis force, acting perpendicular to the direction of motion and to the axis of rotation. On the earth, the effect tends to deflect moving objects to the right in the northern hemisphere and to the left in the southern, and it is important in the formation of cyclonic weather systems. Some moist air enters through the Narmada and Tapi valley and it rains over Satpura to Amarkantak nearly up to 100 centimeters. Some moist air is obstructed by the Girnar mountains and Mount Abu. Thus, these regions have 75 cm rainfall. Another branch is Bay of Bengal branch. It is parallel to the Coromandel coast and Tamil Nadu. Thus, during summer, these regions remain dry. It picks up more moisture from the Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal branch. It hits the Arakan Yoma and turns along the foothills of Himalayas, parallel to Siwaliks, which receives 100 cm rainfall. and Meghalaya Plateau, especially the Khasi Hills, receive highest rainfall in the world, that is at Maisinram, Cherrapunji district, because of funnel-shaped valley which has wide inlet but very narrow outlet. These are the Arakan mountain range. They can be called Arakan range, Rhine range, Rakhine range, Arakan Yoma, Rakhine Roma, Arakan Yoma is the mountain range in western Burma, Myanmar, between the coast of Rakhine state and the central Burma basin, in which flows the Irrawaddy river. It is the most prominent of the series of parallel ranges that arc through Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram and Burma. The Arakan mountains run from Cape Negarius in the south into the Manipur state of India in the north. Location of Arakan Yoma: they include the Naga Hills, the Chin Hills and the Patkai range, which includes the Lusai Hills. These mountains are submerged in the Bay of Bengal for a sufficiently long stretch and emerges again in the form of the Andamans and Nicobar Islands. You can see it from the map. In both the maps you can see all these details. Next is Purvanchal Hills receive 200 cm while Assam Himalayas 250 cm, Meghalaya Plateau 200 cm and Upper Assam 150 to 200 cm of rainfall. The Gangetic Plains and the Central Indian Plateau receives neither from Bay of Bengal nor from the Arabian Sea branch. They receive rain from the mild tropical disturbances. Northeast monsoon wind is an oceanic wind and is an extension of retreating monsoon. It sweeps over Bay of Bengal between December to March. Northeast monsoon again. The northeast monsoon is oblique to the Coromandel coast, which receive 100 cm rainfall during winters. Other places like Nilgiri, Pilini also receives 15 to 20 cm rainfall. On 1st September, below the trough of the subtropical jets, the retreat of the monsoon begins. This retreat is gradual from 1st September to 30 November. It may cause 100 to 15 cm rainfall over Gangetic Plains. Conclusion: thus we conclude that monsoon is a seasonal reversal of winds or a regional wind produced by thermodynamic modifications in the trade winds. There are two types of trades and ultimately two types of monsoon winds. One is southwest monsoon wind and second is northeast monsoon wind. Hence it is concluded that India is an agricultural country and most of our agricultural activities depends upon the monsoon rainfall. These are the references from D.S. Lal, Richfield and a lot of other articles through web surfing.